Wonder what it could be. Is it stuck?
Yes, stuck.
Do you need some help?
It has a wrapper over it.
Oh, I see. So it's wrapped up like a present. Here, watch your fingers. See if that helps.
A Wii What?
Chocolate coins?
So 2 chocolate coins. Ooh. A Wii U!
A new Wii U game? Yay! How exciting! What's that? What do you think that is? I know what that is. Do you know what that is? Stand up. And hold it up. Put that over your head. Do you know what it is?
No?
It's an apron like the one Nanny has. For when we bake our cookies. It keeps your clothes clean. You can be like a cook. Just like on Junior Master Chef. Whoa, cool. That is so cool. Isn't that cool? It's called Wii U Resort.
My God.
It's going to be fun to play, isn't it? Doesn't it look like fun? There's all kinds of games inside of it. Lots and lots of different ones to do. And we can use the nunchucks with that one.
I want to play it.
I know you do. But you got to get ready for school first. You want to say I'm doing a video. You want to say thank you to Nanny and Poppy? The instruction book. Look at the first couple of pages. See the kinds of things we can do? Yeah. Okay, you want to say thank you to Nanny and Poppy? Hey, look over here.
Thank you, Nanny and Poppy.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought you did. Okay, we're going to play it later, okay? After school.
Right now.
Okay, we got to have breakfast.